In this video, we're gonna break down how to teach your baby how to crawl up the stairs and answer a few questions, including when do babies typically start crawling upstairs on their own? And should I let my baby crawl up the stairs on their own? And if so, what should I do to make sure that the experience is safe and a good experience overall for both of us? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Baker, a pediatric physical therapist, and on this channel, we help proactive parents learn how to help their babies move better. Think of me as your pediatric physical therapy bestie, here to help you learn how to help your babies move with confidence and ease. And today's video, we are talking about crawling up the stairs. Milestone that maybe strikes fear in the heart of mamas everywhere, makes you run out immediately after your kid starts rolling to buy a baby gate. Now, some of the questions that my families ask me regarding crawling upstairs is typically, when should I be looking out for my baby attempting or being ready to learn how to crawl up the stairs? And again, as always, it is a range, but typically when a baby starts pulling to stand and or crawling is when you're gonna start thinking about, okay, crawling up and down stairs is an appropriate milestone to start thinking of and learning how to help my baby achieve. The specific age at which babies typically start crawling upstairs is anywhere from 9 to 13 months. Now, some early achievers out there could start showing signs of crawling as early as 7 months, but typically it's going to be more frequently in that 9 to 13 month age range. Again, that pull to stand milestone is going to be closer to 9 to 11 months. And so right in there is kind of the sweet spot of learning how to crawl up the stairs. In order to crawl up the stairs, you do have to get into that kind of half kneel, will you marry me pose in order to then move our body up to that next step. And so we really do need to practice that on a stable, flat surface first. And so if you do want your babies to move on to learning how to crawl up the stairs, and this video is a little bit advanced for them, I would encourage you to go to the Learning to Walk playlist or the Learning to Crawl playlist and look up the pulling to stand exercises and start there. Now, you might be asking yourself, when should I let my baby crawl up the stairs? Or, my favorite, should I even let my baby crawl up the stairs on their own? Maybe it scares me a little bit as a parent, and I really just think like, maybe I should just carry them up and down the stairs because that's safer. One thing that we do really want babies to learn after they are proficient in crawling is to safely get up and down an elevated surface. Practicing crawling on the stairs is a way to do that. Now, you always want to make sure they're supervised when they're crawling up surfaces like the stairs, and the best way to make sure that a baby stays safe when they are crawling up the stairs is by placing your body behind them and their body in front of them. So if they are crawling up the stairs, you want to be behind them. So if for some reason they slip down a stair, you're right there. They're not going to tumble past you down the stairs. The same thing happens when you are going down the stairs. Well, we're not going to get into that in this video. There is another video I will link above that teaches you how to safely go down the stairs with your kiddo. When you are going down the stairs, you want to make sure that your body is between the child and the bottom of the staircase. So you want to be in front of them, and you also want them to go down backwards is the safest way. So you want them to go down hands and knees and up hands and knees. Up hands first, down feet first. So again, I always want to make sure you guys have the most info that you need in order to be able to be safe. And so that's why I kind of went into going downstairs in this video, even though we're not actually going to show you and teach you how to go downstairs. That's going to be a whole separate video. The biggest thing that I want parents to know with crawling up the stairs, this is actually a really great strengthening activity. The biggest thing you want to know is which leg is the child leading with? If you notice it's always one leg, you can look at it as one of two ways if you want to do crawling up the stairs as an exercise, or if you want to do crawling up the stairs as independent. So if you want your child to be independent and do it on their own, then it doesn't matter quite as much which leg they lead with. They're likely going to have a preferred limb, so they might always lead with the right leg, and the left leg might always be knee on the ground. If you notice that the left leg is actually the weaker leg and you want to work on crawling upstairs as an exercise, then you're going to focus more on that left leg. And I'll talk about that a little bit in the video. Let's learn how to help your baby crawl up the stairs.
It's more of a half kneel to stand. So it's easier here. You want to bend that knee, and then the other one is going to come up. I have more of an open hand, and she's doing a great job of bringing this left foot up. No, thank you. Boop, boop, boop. So we want a half kneel to push, and then usually it's every other, so it's going to be the opposite. So if she brings this knee up, boop, 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 she'll bring this one up into a half kneel on this side. Let's see. Hi, friend. Oh, hands down. Yeah. Let's go with this side. Go lefty first. Lefty up. Good arms. And then this one would come up. So the right side's a little harder. So she does better with left or right down and then left up. If you were working on this for her to be independent, you would want to go with whatever is easier. If you're working it more as an exercise, then you would do the opposite. So if you were to work on this as an exercise, hands down please, dancing Mimi. You would bring lefty up. Yeah, I see that. Bring lefty up and then righty, trying to get that foot really down. But if you were doing this independently, letting her do the right one first, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, so right one down, lefty, that's the easier direction. We want to work on this as an exercise. We want lefty down and then righty to really come up. So you gotta be kind of, whoops, sorry girlfriend. Boop, boop, boop. Gotta be quick. Hi. Go this one up. I know. Lefty up. And then you want to kind of weight shift her over and really get this right one up. There we go. Yeah, keep going. Almost there. More, please. Up, up, up. I know you see Mama. She's being so nice to us. Left, weight shift over and really get that one up. Left, weight shift over, really get that one up. We got me on here. Okay. Half kneel. Good work. Okay. We're going to go up. Up, up, up. There you go. Boop. Good job. And then we're going to weight shift to the left. No, thank you. I know I'm confusing you. We just went down. Go right. And then if we wanted to make it complicated, we could switch back to left. Weight shift over, lift up, walk, work. Down. Up, up. Go. And then push up. There you go. Up. Push. Up, up. Hey, you have to use your body. Okay? Thank you. Good working. Good working. Let's go, go, go. Up. I know you want to see Mama. She is helping me out. She's such a good photographer. See, isn't that so nice for Miss Lauren? We're going to go up. Push. Push. There you go. Nice work. Up, up, up. This one's turn. Push. Good work. And then shift and righty's going to go up. Okay, fine. Lefty's going to go up. Oh, we tired? Are we tired? We're almost there. Look, 1, 2, 3 more. You can do it. You can do it. Go leg up and push. Push. Go, go, go. Push. Nice work. See, this novelty has worn off, friends. Go, go, go. Go. There you go. What is that face? Up, up, up. 1, 2, 3, and then all done. Up. We gotta get a leg up. Good job. Push. Push. Nice work. Okay, more please. Go, go. There you go. Nice job. There we go. Nice work. There we go. Push. Go get it. What's that? Go get it.
So now that you have learned how to help your baby crawl up the stairs, you might be asking yourself, well, when should I be concerned if my child is not doing this on their own, or I'm helping them do this and it seems to be a really big struggle? For that, we're going to look at the age of your child. At any time, you can always reach out, regardless of age of your child, if you feel like they're struggling, to a pediatric physical therapist or a pediatric physiotherapist to evaluate your child and to give you some individual insight on what may be causing that struggle with that movement pattern. If your child is over 16 months and they are struggling with crawling up the stairs, you're absolutely going to want to contact a professional just to make sure there's not anything underlying that you can address right now to make sure that their experience is easier and that they don't fall behind on some of those other milestones coming up. If you do have extra just general questions, make sure you check the pinned comment, because that is where you can schedule one-on-one parent consultation with me and we can talk all about crawling up the stairs, why it's important, more information specifically on what exercises I would recommend for this specific milestone, and some areas that you want to keep an eye out to make sure that everything is going smoothly so that we can master those next movement milestones. And if you're like me and you're absolutely obsessed with learning as much as you can on ways to help children move better, make sure that you check this next video and know that your child has all of the pieces that they need in order to master crawling up the stairs. If this is a struggle, you absolutely want to make sure you watch this video, because it is going to help so much if they master the pull to stand milestone before they then go to tackle the same movement patterns on an inclined surface such as stairs.